Zdravstvima, dobrodošli na naš kanal or welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna share another recipe that I hope you will like it. And it's a zucchini recipe. So let's do it, guys. As you can see, my dear viewers, I have some ingredients I need. So I have here cornmeal, the eggs, zucchini, and our spring onions or scallions, biber or ground pepper, salt, and oil for frying later. And of course, I have a chopping board. So I will slice our zucchini. So, like this lang po yung shape. Yan po. Kids love this one. That's why I'm making. And next, our spring onions. Zucchini, I think the price is like 3.95. So in Philippine peso, I think it's like 100 plus. Po siya. So, dahan-dahan, baka makat po ang aking daliri. Okay. So now, I will add salt to our zucchini. Not much lang po. And our pepper. So mix lang natin po siya. And next is we gonna put bits of salt, a ground pepper also. So need to mix. I will mix these spring onions here. Dip it one by one. Repeat the process lang po. So we are almost done, guys. So let's start to heaten up our pan. Okay. So it's ready. Let's put our oil. Yan. So now it's ready. We can put now our zucchini coated ng ating cornmeal. Like that po. So, let's low the heat to make sure na ma-coat po maigi yung ating zucchini inside. Ayan. Wait po natin till golden brown ang ating zucchini coated into cornmeal. Siya. I love the smell. So let's check it out kung it's already brown. More. So let's check it out kung brown na po siya. Ayan. Stop, sweetie. Be nice to each other, please.
Mom, why not water in your plants?
What you want?
Why not water your plants to grow?
Which one?
Plants to water.
Friends.
No, plants.
Which friends?
No, this one's weird. This one wants to make water.
Water? The plants.
Yes, water the plants.
You want to water the plants?
Yes, ugly.
No, 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 no. You cannot. Not all the time. I think this one little bit thick.
Hey!
Hi. Sine.
That's for you.
Hi, Sine. Yeah. Taye. Sarap, yummy. Yum. Almost, guys. I taste one actually, and it's really nice. You know the taste of the spring onions when it cooks. Oh my goodness. And the zucchini. Oh, so yummy. Now, luto na siya. So, it's done. Ayan. Tapos na ang ating masarap na zucchini coated into cornmeal. Ayan na po ang ating masarap na zucchini.
Thanks again for watching. See you again on next video. Bye-bye.